All right, so what does it take to power 360-degree video online when you're streaming it? Not just when it's on device, but when you're actually streaming it. I'm here with CUI from Visbit, which is, I mean, it's underlying technology. It's not something that you necessarily look at unless you're looking at content, but it's how the content is being treated to stream into the device, right?
That's right, yeah. So we try to solve, I think that's a kind of fundamental problem for VR industry. Like, people spend tons of money to build a camera and make VR content which has high quality. But high quality video means it's big in size. And given the current internet speed, people cannot stream high quality VR content to the users. And we build the technology to help them to stream VR content at high quality, at 4K, 8K, even over the average Wi-Fi and LTE. Yeah.
So I put on the Gear VR that we have here and watched. I think it's Verse. Is it? It's a demo for Verse, or
yes, yeah, yeah. So we have a bunch of partners. We try to work together and to make good VR content and deliver to the end users.
What I found so interesting is that when you're in the environment and you're looking around, like from what you've explained to me, is that the technology that you have is only streaming the part of the view that you're looking at, the thing that's actually in your view. But you know, there's so many places you can go at the spur of a moment. What about like latency of that streaming? How do you treat that?
Yeah, that's actually the key difficulty of this kind of solution. So we combine a lot of technologies like vision, computer graphics, and also machine learning. So we try to learn where you may look at in the next moments. And sometimes machine is much faster than human movements. So you think you move fast, but from the machine perspective, you are moving slowly. So before you turn to a new direction, we already prepare the new frame for you. So that's a bunch of like technology. We have patents to cover that technology and make that happen for you.
So there's some sort of kind of indication when I'm a user and I'm turning this way slightly, that's a higher probability that I'm going to continue turning in that direction. So you're probably going to load more in that direction.
Yes, so that's one trick we call motion prediction.
Okay.
And also we have a lot of tricks to make all the computation and the streaming fast. So we try to reduce the latency as much as possible. And also another trick will be human eyes take time to focus. So when you turn your head around, your eyes take a while to focus. So another trick will be we give like low resolution first, and very quickly turn the low resolution to high resolution. And your eyes cannot detect it.
Yeah, especially when you consider the fact that like just in real life, what we're looking at directly is perfectly in view, and everything in the peripheral, yeah, I mean, it's kind of faded. It's just your peripheral vision, so it's kind of the same concept.
Yeah, yeah. So that's like we combine a bunch of tricks, and then at the end of the day, we don't have to tell our customer what happened. For them, they just look at the video and everything's high resolution. So that's our goal. Yeah.
CUI with Visbit, where can people, I don't know, where are people going to interact with your technology? Are you already out there? What's your plan?
So now we are at the stage of beta program. So we have, last month, we launched our pilot program. So some partners, they sign up to our program. It's more than 40. And we work together, so we serve them. It's like B2B program. And they have platforms, they have contents. We are back-end solution providers. So we work very closely. It's a beta program. I hope very soon we can public to the whole industry.
I hope so too, because that's going to really solve a lot of problems, potentially future problems that companies are going to have in streaming this kind of technology. The company is Visbit, and I've been speaking with CUI. Thank you so much for talking with me.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you.